Hey, remember the elderberry cuttings we showed you the other day? Well, we're in the new greenhouse. It's not all the way done. I got some shelves up over here. We're getting ready to start potting them. Remember, the angled part goes down, the nodes sticking up. That is all there is to it. Okay, first thing in the greenhouse, 47 elderberry cuttings. Hopefully be ready for farmer's market, and may do some more. This is just kind of an experiment with doing some of these this tall, just to see how they do versus the shorter cuttings. I don't know if it's going to take more energy for the plant to feed these, but don't have but maybe a half a dozen of those. Pretty cool. Still a lot to do in the greenhouse. I've got that to close up. But right now, getting more stuff in here, it's a whole lot more important. It gets warm in here. So, anyhow, elderberry accomplished. And I'll do an update. See how it is in a couple of days or maybe a week, and give you an update on how they're doing. Thanks for hanging around. One more quick thing to add. Had to go to a tractor place out in the country in Bloomfield. Ran across these iron tractor wheels. This very cool old fan. I wish the guy hadn't painted it all, but I'll probably clean that up, try and get the GE back the way it should be. Some old lamps, type we use for chicken brooder. Another one that's kind of cool, but find all kinds of treasures in the country.